Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to test sticks, these sticks right here, like on a controller, on your THRUSTMASTER T-GT II. To do it, in the control panel of THRUSTMASTER T-GT, find the test input tab, and then in mini stick section you'll find these two axes and these two like sliders, right? And they will show you like the input here in both axes, in the y-axis and x-axis or z-axis, whatever. You can see it all works. So yeah, you can test it like that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.